Right, I'm taking advantage being off on this Juneteenth. Yeah. So spend some time with my birds. I never get a chance to do this. Work a lot. Um, but yeah, they're already breeding. They're doing good. Got another one over there. I just finished feeding them some egg foods. Let's check it out real quick. No, I scared them. Damn. Hold on. All right, let's check this one over here. I got my yellow ones. Yep, there he is, my yellow guy. Quails, here's another one right there. There's him. That's the owl finch. There's my owl finch. Some egg food.